So, hello guys. Today we will discuss about structure, some basic elements of the structure and the components of the structure. So, we have different types of load. First, we will discuss about types of beam. Then we will discuss about type of support, and after this we will discuss about types of load. So, our first topic is types of beam. Generally, these type of beam are used in the building to construct a building. So, the first beam is cantilever beam. Cantilever beam. In cantilever beam, this type of beam is one side is fixed and other is overhang. One side is fixed and the other is overhang. This type of beam is known as cantilever beam. Now, the second one is simply supported beam. Simply supported beam. In this type of beam, there's a beam and the supported for the both the end is simply supported, means there is a fixed supported from both the ends are supported. This type of you can see that this is a column, this is another column, this is a beam. So this type of beam is known as simply supported beam. And the third one is overhanging beam. In overhanging beam means that this is a beam, this is a support, this is a other support, this is another other support. The beam is overhang from the one side, or you can say that in the other side. This type of beam is known as overhanging beam. Now the next one is fixed beam. In the fixed beam, you can say that it is a similar just like a cantilever beam, but the cantilever beam is one side is fixed and other is hang. So in the fixed beam is, you can say that the both sides are fixed and in the middle there is span is known as the beam. So this type of beam is known as fixed beam. And the next beam is continuous beam. In the continuous beam, you can say that fifth one is continuous beam. Continuous beam, you can say that continuous beam, this is a beam, this is the support, this is support, the other beam is connected and the continuously is moving from forward, or you can say backward. This type of beam is known as continuous beam. So these are the beams which are used in a structure. You can say that in a particular structure, building a structure, in the construction site, and another. Next topic is type of supports. Now the supports are, you can say that types of supports. Types of supports. The first support is fixed support. Fixed support. In fixed support, the structure for analyzing is this like that. So you can say that this is a beam and this is a support. Both the end is fixed. So this is the fixed support over the beam. Next thing is the second support is pin, or you can say that hinge support. Hinge support. In the pin or the hinge support is that you can say that this is the support, this is a pin support, or you can say that hinge support. In the hinge support, this is the type of support. And in this type of support, the both are fixed, both are hinge or the pin support, and the upper one is the beam is connected both the support. Now the third one is roller support. Roller support. In the roller support, you can say for the analyzing, for the purpose for this is the support, this is the roller support, and the beam is connected from the both the end is like that. These type of support are known as roller support. Now the next topic is types of load. In the types of load, we have generally three types of load. Basically, we are using the three type of load. One is, first is point support, point load, sorry. This is a load. So point load, The point load is that suppose you can say that this is a simply supported beam, and the point load is the load which are applied on a particular point on a beam. This load are known as point load. Now the second load is UDL. UDL stands for universal. You can say it not uniform, uniformly distributed load. Uniformly distributed load means that this is a beam, and the load which are applied on a particular beam is uniformly load, means that for the one end to the other end the load are equally distributed from every and each point. Means that this is a simply supported beam, you can say that, and the uniformly load is that in each and every point the load are equally distributed over the span of the beam. Third thing is UVL. Uniformly, it stands for uniformly varying load. In the uniformly varying load means that you can say that this is a beam, simply supported beam, and we can recognize and analyze from this type of beam just like a triangle shape. In the triangle shape, this is a particular beam, and it will distributed from all over the span from one point to the another point, but not equal. Each and equal point is not equally distributed. It is the one end is maximum load, and the farther end is the lowest load, but the load is applied to all over the beam. This type of beam, the first is point load, the second is UVL, and the third one is UVL, uniform varying load. Now the one thing is we will calculate from one reaction formulas for the recognized for beam. So we have one question. You can say that this is a simply supported beam. This is a simply supported beam. So you can say that this is a point load which are applied at the middle of the span, and the point load is 5 kN. The reaction, this is A point, this is a B point. You can say that this is a C point. This is the reaction for A is RA, and at B point is RB. You can say that this is a 3 meter from A to C, and the C to B is also 3 meter, because the point load is in middle point. The load is 5 kN. So we will have to calculate RA and RB. RA and RB are the supports, or you can say that the reaction on a particular beam. So the one thing is, first you will have to add both the reaction RA plus RB equals to the load which are applied on a particular beam is equal to the RA plus RB. What is the load is 5. So this is our first equation. Now the second one is, suppose you can say that MA, the moment at point A equals to 0. So we will have to calculate the value of RB. So this is a RB, this is the anti-clockwise direction, this is the clockwise direction. You can say that the anti-clockwise direction is negative and the clockwise direction is positive. So the RA is applied on a particular point A is RA multiplied by total length. The total length is 6. The total length is 6 because this is a negative. So minus RB into 6. Now this load, the 5 kN load, is moving like that, and the moving is, you can say that is a clockwise direction. In the clockwise direction, you can say that we have to take clockwise direction in positive direction. So this is a positive. The load is 5 multiplied by distance. The distance is 3. The distance is 3. And equals to 0. Now this is a basic thing is minus RB into 6 plus 5 cross 3 is 15 equals to 0. So 6 RB equals to 15. So you can say that RB equals to 15 by 6 kilonewton. So from here we had calculated RB. Now put in the value of, in equation 1 you have to calculate RA. So RA plus RB equals to 5. So RA plus RB is 15 by 6 equals to 5. So RA equals to 5. This side is 15 by 6 is positive. So we have to take from another side. From this is a positive. So it will shift from another side is negative. So minus 15 by 6. RA equals to, you have to take LCM. 6 or 1. The ratio, the LCM is 6. So is 30 minus 15. So RA equals to 15 by 6 MV. So the value of RA is 15 by 6 kilonewton and the value of RB is 15 by 6 kilonewton. These are the value for calculating the moment, or you can say reaction. So this is this video contains the type of load, the type of beam, the type of support, and the one numerical problem for calculation for reactions for RA and RB. Thank you.